Still using a membrane keyboard? Here's why it's time to switch to mechanical. Reason 1. Mechanical keyboards last longer. They can withstand over 50 million key presses. Reason 2. Better typing experience. Each key press is more tactile and responsive. Reason 3. Customization. Hot swappable switches let you choose your typing feel. Plus, mechanical boards often come with customizable RGB lighting. Switched to mechanical yet? Comment your favorite keyboard and follow for more. Thanks for 30 subs. Keep showing us support.